Moving on to our final story. One of the continent's largest gold producers is forging a new alliance as its government looks to maximise revenues from the precious metal and in turn limit smuggling that continues to fund the world's most brutal civil war. I'm talking about Sudan and their new potential partner, Saudi Arabia. Riyadh has announced that it is entering the African gold market with immediate effect. It comes as the oil giant held high-level discussions with Sudanese ministers exploring collaboration in mining sectors. The agreements will see the Saudi gold refinery process Sudanese gold at its state-of-the-art facilities. And this move is set to benefit both parties immensely. Starting with the Gulf state, the new initiative aligns with Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 economic plan. This is a blueprint for the kingdom to diversify its economy away from just the oil sector. Saudi Arabia wants to be positioned as a global leader, and moving into the African gold market will provide another avenue of growth and opportunity. For Sudan, gold is the country's most important non-oil export and critical source of foreign exchange. Sudan's finance minister revealed that only a portion of this gold goes through official channels.
Well, the production of 2025 is something like 70 tons. Not all of it has been exported. Like 20 tons has been exported through the official channels. The rest, we are not sure whether it has been exported or has been kept inside the country.
Now, gold smuggling is a major long-standing issue in the Northeast African nation. The sector has been battered by years of instability due to the ongoing civil war between the paramilitary Rapid Support Forces and the Sudanese army. It has led to potentially hundreds of thousands of deaths, the displacement of more than 12 million people, widespread famine and reported war crimes and crimes against humanity. And this civil conflict has seen Sudan split into almost two, the RSF controlling the west portion and parts of the south, while the Sudanese army control the north and the eastern periods. And if we have a look now at this map, you can see all of the different gold concessions and gold mines that operate. And control, of course, effectively split means that both warring factions controlled some of the region's mines. Profits from the gold smuggling have in part funded the ongoing conflict. So for Khartoum, this agreement signals a major strategic pivot. Sudan has long relied on the United Arab Emirates as the primary destination for its gold exports. But experts and officials highlight that the Dubai route has been plagued by issues like smuggling.
Gold kept going out. Unfortunately, much of it has been smuggled through the borders or across the borders through different countries and going to the Gulf, mainly to UAE.
So Sudanese authorities believe this partnership with Riyadh will formalise exports. If more of Sudan's gold goes through official channels, then potentially billions of dollars will go to the treasury. This would provide a major boost for Khartoum, which is facing a currency crisis due to the civil conflict. Then there is also the political and security tensions involved with the UAE. Sudan's military authorities have accused Abu Dhabi of arming and funding the paramilitary RSF, claims the UAE denies. But the country's de facto leader has even rejected ceasefire deals because of Abu Dhabi's involvement in the mediation process.
The entire world has witnessed the UAE's support for rebels against the Sudanese state. If the mediation continues in this direction, we will consider it to be biased.
So, this deal provides an alternative market for Khartoum and an opportunity to profit more from their mining sector. And it presents Riyadh with a new market to expand its growing global influence. But for the people of Sudan, the gold industry has fed a war machine that has created the world's worst humanitarian crisis. If smuggling takes a hit, this deal could offer a glimmer of hope for millions facing death, destruction, and tragedy.
The world doesn't fit in boxes, so why should your news? From battlefields to negotiation tables, from internet outrage to real-world injustice. The conversations everyone is having and the ones they're avoiding. It's the same show, but this new year, Firstpost America gets a new look. I'm Kerry Johnston, and this is Firstpost America.